This is a lot. This is a lot. Hi guys! In today's video, we are taking it way back. Okay, the turn of the century was very dramatic. We were very dramatic. We spent a lot of time up in the club, okay? All of the eyes were frosty. All of the lips were glossy. None of the foundation matched the rest of the body. All of the hair was parted down the middle. I thought I was Christina Aguilera. You could not tell me otherwise. There was a lot of belly rings, okay? There was a lot of belly buttons. I was dead serious with this look. So if you want to relive your youth with me today and with some very cringy makeup, cringy singing along of songs, then just stick around. Before we go down memory lane, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. I upload a new video every Thursday at noon Eastern Standard Time. You can also follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. Let's get into it. We are in for a treat today. This hair is parted down the middle because apparently I thought this looked amazing back in the day. I don't even know where to start. Like, so first of all, I didn't really do foundation when I was a young lass. I didn't really understand, like it just felt like it was a lot of makeup. So I didn't do a lot of foundation, but I did do maybe a little bit of concealer because I always had a zit right here. So I'm going to just sort of spot conceal and see what happens. Definitely did not have these zit scars or these dark circles. Wow. And I'm pretty sure that I just used like my fingers. I sure as heck didn't have like a lot of brushes. Do you remember this guy? Oh! It's so old it doesn't even have that same smell anymore, but okay, so I'm not gonna use this. This is the CoverGirl clean pressed powder. I'm not using that. That thing is, I found this in a bag in my closet. It's probably not from that time, but it is not far off. So what I am gonna use instead is this Infallible Pro Matte pressed powder. I didn't use liquid foundation or cream foundation because I didn't have that kind of money and I wasn't about that life. But I did use powder because I'm a greaseball, so I needed to control the shine. So I'm just gonna wipe this in here. Wowee. Wow, this is not the correct color. This is so bad. This is so bad. So my mom did not wear a lot of makeup, any makeup, when I was a kid, so I did not learn makeup from watching my mom. I just kind of, you know, learned it along the way. And I remember the first time I ever watched somebody put on liquid makeup, I had really never seen that before, and I was like,
whoa, that's a lot of makeup.
But then I tried it on myself and I was like, oh, I see. Your skin looks perfect. Okay, foundation is done. Okay. I definitely used eyebrow pencil. I used the I'll put a picture of it right here. I used the CoverGirl You Sharpen It Yourself pencil. Freaking hate sharpening pencils. So what I have that's close enough is this ColourPop brow pencil in the color Blondie. I've always used the correct brow color, so that's a win for me. But I did not understand eyebrow shapes. I didn't know what the F I was doing. So I'm looking at an old picture and I definitely like was doing something, but I don't know what the hell I was doing. And I'm pretty sure it was more of like, you know, just sort of around. It's like, I mean, it's a whisper of an eyebrow. All right, all my ginger people with blonde eyebrows. How long did it take you to realize, if you don't have eyebrows on, you look like a goblin? That's it. Wow, this is embarrassing. The blushes that I got were always like the single CoverGirl ones that came with the tiny little brush inside. So I think the color that's closest to what I was wearing, I was always drawn to like a peachy rose color. So we're gonna go here, okay? So I'm just gonna use that same brush. Woo! Okay, so really and truly the majority of this look is dedicated to the old eyes. I didn't wear my makeup like this every day, but when we were gonna go shake our tail feathers in the club, it was all about grays, silvers, frosty whites. So I'm gonna use this eyeshadow wheel from Ulta So back in the day, what I used was like from CoverGirl, and it was probably a quad or a trio. And there was definitely this frosty white in here that was like down to the pan because you wore that every day. And then this lighter gray color, and then if I was feeling especially saucy, I would go into like the deeper tones. So let's do it. Wow, that is white. I definitely would cover my whole lid with this gorgeous white color. Don't pretend like you didn't do it too. You did. Ooh, yes ma'am. That's the stuff right there. Shimmery white. When Christina Aguilera first came out, I thought she was super skank. But the truth is, I was just jealous because I wanted to be her. Once I figured that out, girl, it was on. I thought I was Christina Aguilera. Minus, all the singing talent. And my hair was better. That poor girl, her hair in the early days. Do you see this? Right here? Get some dry shampoo, girl. That hair is greasy. Okay, now let's get in that crease. I'm gonna go in with the lighter gray tone. Okay, let's darken it up. Whoa, okay. Okay, we're doing that. Was anybody else resistant to moving away from these sponge tip applicators to brushes? Like, I had a hard time going to brushes because it didn't feel natural because I always was using these. I used these for a really long time, actually. I thought this looked cute. I really did. Stop it. This is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. It's a felt tip pen. I don't use these anymore because, I don't know, I just don't really like them. I like the brushes better. I feel like I get more control and a better finish. But this is what I used back in the day. Not this, but felt tip. I wasn't doing a winged liner because I did not know what that was yet. But I liked the way that it made my lashes appear thicker. It covered up my blonde roots because I was totally bad at covering those up too. Now, my road dog all these years is L'Oreal Voluminous. It is still my favorite mascara with the curved brush. I've been wearing this since I started wearing mascara. That's how much I love it. It has never failed me. Never! Lips was definitely like brownish tone lip liner and a lot of gloss. And we are gonna line, we're gonna line these lips. Don't blend it in, okay? You wanna be able to see that line. Why? I don't know. I don't recommend that you use old things that you find in the bottom of bags in the top of your closet, okay? But I found this with this face powder. This is if you remember these, the Victoria's Secret Beauty Rush lip glosses. Do they still sell these? There's definitely shimmer in this. Good God. Wow. The scent of this just takes me right back. The club that we used to go to the most, it used to be called Metropolis. And then they changed the name to Hammerjacks. And then somehow it had like a shark theme. Don't ask. We are done, ladies and gents. Friends.
This thing right here is letting all the ladies know.
This is it. You are ready to go catch a man, do some underage drinking. My oldest friend in the world, we met in elementary school and we're still in each other's lives. Look at these two adult ladies. So when we were in our youth, okay, so like post high school, but pre like getting it together and being a real adult. Every Thursday and Friday night, man, we would get in high horgeesh, put on our shiniest pants, crop tops, tube tops. Remember those napkin tops that just kind of tied in the back? Yes. Anyways, we would go to the club. We didn't drink. We weren't there to meet boys. We really were just there to dance. And dance we did. We would dance the night away. We would stay there until the lights came on. And then at the end of the night, we would drive home and sleep and then get up and go to the mall and work our shift the next day. So we worked at the mall at the store called Body Shop. Not the Body Shop with like the shampoos and soaps and stuff, but it was all like 579, Forever 21, but like really small scale. But it was all like trash clothes, you know what I mean? Like everything was really inexpensive, everything was super trendy. People would come in on Thursday, Friday, Saturdays and buy their outfit for the club and then come in on Sunday and try to return it. Girl, I see you. We would wear outfits like we were going to the club in the daytime. okay, to go to work and do our shift. Ridiculously padded push-up bra with like a glitter, literally, it was like a zebra print glitter top, spaghetti straps, the uniform, the club uniform of black bootleg pants, and some platform like flip-flops, or those Steve Madden platform shoes with like the stretchy top. You remember those? It made sense in the store, okay, and at the club, but not at 5 p.m. standing outside the mall, okay? Do you guys remember the Christina Aguilera Come On Over video? Where she's wearing all crop tops, there's a lot of jewels on the belly, all the pants lace up the sides. I was so into this. It was like the funnest job ever because it was all club music playing all day long, and we would just dress up mannequins and like straighten the earring display, and it was just so much fun. Man, that was a fun job. I made like $1 an hour, but it was so much fun. Oh, memories, youth. Does this get up, bring back memories, good, bad, indifferent? Let me know in the comments. You can follow me on all the socials, leave a comment down below, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, do all of the things, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! I finally figured out my white balance. Yay for me! I just saw myself in the viewfinder. Wow, I am winded from running upstairs. That fire truck was very dramatic. Okay, that was probably really cringy and disgusting. Let me say that again without saying shit. Tartist. What the fuck is this? No ma'am. Let's see.